Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to loop in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, and the first menu you'll be greeted by is the composition menu, where you can go ahead and select the quality of your video, the width, height, and so on, all the info that you need, fill it out right here, and after that click OK and you can get started creating your project. So guys, let's say we have opened up a project we already have, or we have created a new project and now we have a video or animation that we want to loop. This is how we are going to do that. Basically guys, to loop we're going to use the time length right here. So here we can go ahead and find what area we want to loop. You can find any place in your video, any time, seconds, and so on. All of that is available right here in this bar. So if we want to loop it guys, all we need to do is go ahead and select our project from this bar right here, select the part that we want to loop and copy it. So after copying your part right here, you can go ahead and start pasting it right here, paste it one next to another until the times that you want to loop it. So how many times you want to loop it, that's how much you're going to paste it here. So use the bar right here. This is all you need. Just go ahead and copy out the parts that you want to loop if you want and paste them right here. And this is going to enable you to create a loop effect. And in the effects options right here, you can even search for loop and you have the 360 loop and the loop on and off that you can even add to your project as an effect to create the loop effect. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.